Hi everyone, welcome back to LumenLearn, your daily dose of Java interview series. In today's episode, therefore, we are diving into one of the most important topics in core Java, that is string. So we will cover everything you need to know from how strings work in Java to the difference between equal operator and equals to method, the string pool concept, and much more. So let's get started. First, what is string in Java? So string is one of the most common objects used in Java programming language. There are two ways we can create a string. First, by using literal, second by using new keyword. Additionally, string supports variety of method to operate a string, such as equals method to compare two strings, the replace method to replace a string character, the substring method to get a substring, the uppercase method to convert a string into uppercase, and the split method to split a long string into the multiple string, and so on. Second, what is the difference between equal operator and equals method? Java offers both the equals method and operator for comparing the object. So here the difference. One is method and one is operator. Second, if you go with that equal operator, then we can use for comparing the references. That means if you want to compare the two string with that address, then we can go with that equal operator. Second, dot equals method can be used for comparing the content. That means if you want to compare a string with that content, then we can go with that is equals to method. So in this example, the two different string objects are created, str1 and str2. If str1 and str2 are compared using the equal operator, then the result will be false because both have different addresses in the memory. Both must have the same address in the memory, the result will be true. If you use the equal method, the result is true since it's only comparing the values given to str1 and str2, even though they are a different object. Third, is string is a primitive or derived data type in Java? Yes, strings are derived data types. Strings are Java objects that represent the sequence of characters. String objects are created using the java.lang.string classes. There are many functions that need to be called upon when processing a string, such as substring, index of, equals to uppercase, etc., which primitive type doesn't have. What? What is the difference between string in C and string in Java? In C, string are just arrays of character and they are terminated with that /0, which is why we commonly refer to them as a null terminated. In Java, string treats as an object, not as arrays. So string objects are created using the java.lang.string classes. So string objects in Java are immutable. You can't modify their content. This means whenever you manipulate a string object, the new object is created rather than the original string be modified. 5. What is string pool in Java? String pool is also known as SCP, string constant pool. It is a special storage space in Java heap memory that is used for a store a unique string object. So whenever a string object is created, it first checks whether the string object with the same value is already present in string pool or not. And if it is available, then reference to the string object from the string pool is returned. Otherwise, the new string object